Rise to the ball of your right foot. Bend your right knee. Now I want you to feel that same lifting, but I want you to kick a little bit higher this time. Inhale. Gaze down between your thumbs. Exhale, flex your right foot off the ground, but see if you can get yourself a little bit higher. Inhale. Exhale, flex the right foot off the ground, reach the left heel towards the sky. One more. Maybe you find that handstand just for a second, and then come all the way down. Back to that standing splits position, right foot down, left leg still lifted. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, walk back. Whew, that right hip is working hard. Inhale fully. Exhale, step your left foot forward. It deserves it. Put your right knee down, scoot your right knee back, straighten your left leg. Ardha Hanumanasana. Fingertips underneath the shoulders. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold. Anywhere with the arms. Firm the sit bones in towards one another. Give yourself that well-deserved length in that left hamstring.